Everyone, it's Halloween week at my house, and we're just going to talk a little bit about proposals. This is a self-guided exercise, replicates something that I do in my live classes, will help you understand a little bit how this paper works. So what I want you to do, first of all, is imagine the president, whoever you would like the president to be, and president calls you up and says that you have the opportunity to talk about 3 things that you would like the United States to change within the next year. So this could be having a new law put into place. This can be increasing funding or decreasing funding. This can be stopping a program, but it should be some sort of change that you want to make. So go ahead and think about that. And I want you to go ahead and write those 3 things down. You can go ahead and pause the video at this point while you're doing that. And I'll give you a second to do that. All right. So once you've got your 3 items that you want to implement, that you want to change, pick the one that's most important to you. Okay. And what I want you to do is I want you to ask yourself some challenging questions that will, again, make it a little bit harder, but at the same time will help you get closer to thinking about the proposal, right? So first of all, how will you fund it? Where will the money come from? How will you implement it? Is it something that will require legislation? Is it something where you'll need equipment? Is it something where you'll need to hire people? Is it something where you'll need physical office spaces, virtual office spaces, those sorts of things? And then what opposition is there to it? And who might oppose it and how strongly, right? So is it something that is like kind of a fundamental gut moral sort of thing that you'll fight tooth and claw, or is it something where you just have maybe some kind of concerns that can be overcome with thinking about logic and thinking about cost-benefit analysis and those sorts of things, okay? So we're gonna call those 3 questions the feasibility questions. And then the other element in this paper is thinking about the outcomes, right? So thinking about what 3 clear, distinct things will happen as the result of your proposal. There can certainly be reasons that you wanna do something, and those reasons can tie to those outcomes, but they're not quite 100% the same thing, right? So so that is the essence of the proposal paper. Certainly look at the assignment sheet. There's going to be a lot more information there. And otherwise, I'm going to go back in because it's really cold out here. So it is kind of both fall and winter at once. So, all right.